Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we would like to present about compound interest and annuity.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Arif Hakim bin Abdurrahman. My ID student is 2025803326 and I'm from BA 119YA.
My name is Carol Amin Bejamsari. My student ID is 2025402228.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Din Ishman bin Muazzam. Matrix number 2025461516. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is interest calculated on both the initial principal and all of the previously accumulated interest. Generating interest on interest is known as the power of compound interest. Interest can be compounded on a variety of frequencies such as daily, monthly, quarterly, or annually. There are 4 formulas for compound interest. The first one is compound interest to find I. The formula is I equal S minus P. The second one is future value or accumulated amount to find S. The formula is S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket N. The third one, periodic interest rate to find I. The formula is I equal K over M. The fourth, number of interest period to find N. The formula is N equal MT.
Question A. Find the future value of the investment at the end of 6 years. P equals to 50,000. K equals to 6.38% equals to 0.0638. T equals to 6. M equals to 2. The formula of I is I equals to K over M. And I equals to 0.0638 over 2 equals to 0.0319. N equals to MT. N equals to 2 in bracket 6 equals to 12. So our formula for future value is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. So 50,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0319 power of 12. And the answer is RM 72,882 and 80 cents. Question B. Calculate the interest earned by Mr. Danish at the end of 6 years. So our S equals to RM 72,882.18 and P equals to RM 50,000. So the formula for compound interest is I equal to S minus P. 72,882.18 minus 50,000 and the answer is RM 22,882.18. Question C. Find the account balance at the end of 6 years after a withdrawal of RM 6,000 in the first 2 years. So our P equals to 50,000, K equals to 6.38% equals to 0.0638, M equals to 2, and the withdrawal is 6,000, I equals to K over M, N equals to MT. T1 equals to 2 and T2 equals to 4 because it is after a withdrawal of RM 6,000 in the first 2 years. So the future value formula is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. So 50,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0638 over 2 power of 2 bracket in bracket 2, and the answer we get RM 56,691.83. And we take 56,691.83 and minus 6,000 and we get 50,691.83. It is our new P. So we take 50,691.83 in bracket 1 plus 0.0638 over 2 power of 2 in bracket 4, and we get the answer RM 65,168.67. Question D. If the interest rate changed to 8.88% compounded annually after 2 years of the initial investment, calculate the accumulated amount of this investment. P equals to 50,000, K1 equals to 6.38% equals to 0.0638, M equals to 2, K2 equals to 8.88% equals to 0.0888, M2 equals to 1, I equals to K over M, N equals to MT, and T1 equals to 2, T2 equals to 4. So the future value formula is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. 50,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0638 over 2 power of 2 in bracket 2, and the answer is RM 56,691 and 83. So the S1 will become our new P. So we take 56,691.83 in bracket 1 plus 0.0888 over 1 power of 1 in bracket 4. So the final answer will be RM 79,673.32.
So we move on to question 2. Dinesh want to buy BMW i7 X560 that cost him 740,800 ringgit with 10% down payment. The balance is to be paid in equal monthly installment for 9 years. The first installment is due 1 month after the date of purchase, and the interest rate is 3.24% per annum compounded monthly. So first, we need to calculate the monthly payment. The formula used here is finding the present value. A represent present value, while R represent monthly payment. The formula is A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power of negative N over I. We need to find the value after deducting the 10% of down payment, which produce 633,320 ringgit. So next, we fill the formula with all the information, and finally, we get 6,875 and 28 cents. Next, we need to calculate the total interest charge. The formula used here is to find interest, which is I equal to R in bracket N minus A. So we fill all the information into that formula, which produce 99,210 and 24 cents. Next, we need to determine the fifth payment to settle if he has not paid the first 4 payments. The formula used here is to find a future value, which S represent future value and R represent monthly payment. The formula is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I, the power of N minus 1 over I. So we fill all the information in the formula, which produce 34,562 and 53 cents. And the last question is, if he decide to settle the loan after the 5th year, calculate the amount he need to pay. The formula used here is to find the present value. A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I, the power of negative N over I. Fill the formula with all the information given, which produced 309,132 and 53 cents.
So the conclusion for this presentation is compound interest is very effective concept. It provides an advantage in the growth of the value of money because it involves calculating interest on the principal amount and also the interest that accumulated. By understanding compound interest, one can plan finance more wisely. Annuity is a series of payments that helps individuals plan manage their finance over time. Understanding annuities allows people to calculate future or present value.